Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to put video inside text. Okay, so basically we are going to learn a new trick for text editing in Capcut. So what to do? First I'm going to add new project. Okay, now import a video here. Okay, which you want to put into the text. Now add to main track, and now what you have to do, now here you will see text option. Okay, now you have to click on it and click on add default text. Okay, add to track. Now you stretch to the end of the video. Okay, now edit the text here. So I'm going to edit this text. Okay, road trip. Okay, now you have to choose the font, right font for this. Okay, so I'm going to choose a right font for this. Okay, this is, you can choose whichever you want. So now stretch to the full video. Okay, now what you have to do, now you have to just put this video upside the, okay, now text downside. Okay, like this. Now what you have to do, now here you have to choose the video. Okay, select the video and then go to blend basic and then go to blend, and then here you will see normal. Okay, mode. Now you have to select multiply. Okay, now set opacity 85, 84, 85. Okay, and then I'm going to play this video. Okay, you will see like this. Okay, so like this you can text edit or put video inside, put text inside video.